Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is November mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn. Or Gemini. Maybe you're dealing with Virgo. So under the deck, Four of Swords. The Moon. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here. Ace of Wands and Three of Wands and the World. Definitely some cycles are going to be end between you and your person, and for some already ended, and lots of you are in long distance relationship. Here you want to take off from the situation, you turn you back from the situation here, and right now you're taking care of yourself. You want to heal yourself here because a lot of trust issues, a lot of arguments between you and your person. That's why you want to take off from the situation. You're just doing your own thing and taking care of yourself. Maybe your person is calling you but you're not contacting them. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Devil, Ten of Cups and Knight of Cups. And for some, definitely this person is toxic for you guys. And for some, maybe you addicted to this person or you have some fears regarding this relationship. Yes, you have emotions for this person, but at the same time, there are some fears regarding this relationship. In past, you both were happy, but something happened suddenly between you and your person. Uh, Maybe your person is addicted to some bad habits. So let's see. Present, Queen of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles and the Lovers. I think this is a upgrade in relationship right now. Maybe things are getting better here because Three of Pentacles with Queen of Pentacles, maybe they really want to work on this relationship. uh, Still you both have strong emotions towards each other. There is love between both of you because the Lovers card is here. Definitely I'm saying upgrade right now. Present, there will be some upgrade in your relationship. Then future, Five of Swords, the Hermit and the Emperor. Again, in future definitely there will be some disturbances regarding in your career or regarding other part of your life, or other area of your life. Definitely there will be some ups and downs for you, but don't worry because you will go through some transformation. Then you will be on your power. These up and downs only just a matter of time. You will be okay because after transformation definitely you will be on your power. I am seeing upgrade in relationship here. But if this Five of Swords is regarding to your career or other part of your life. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So under the deck, the Emperor. I think you both are very powerful and independent people here. Yeah, they're ready to work on this relationship. Finally, they're taking a step forward. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. So let's see their intentions also. So under the deck, Queen of Swords, King of Cups, Three of Swords, and the World. Definitely they are missing you right now, those who are in separation. Lot of arguments, maybe lots of you are in no contact. Even though you are in contact with this person, this is on end of connection. And this person have feelings for you, but they are not expressing right now. They are being cold with you. Yes. Because their current feelings, Eight of Swords, the Chariot, and Page of Swords. They're spying you, they're watching you, and they're feeling stuck. Definitely they are stuck on you, or they want to make a move, or they want to contact with you, but right now they can't do anything because third party involved, or their family stopping them, or something or someone involved in this connection. That's why right now they're feeling stuck, but they are watching you and they want to come towards you, but again they are at some crossroads here. And their intentions, Two of Wands, Ten of Wands, and King of Swords. Definitely they have to make some choice here. That's why they are holding back, or they are in slow moving, and their emotions are running high. They have so much in their heart space because Ten of Wands. They're feeling overburdened. Maybe their emotions are running high here, but they're not expressing their emotions because they are in King of Swords energy. And for some, they maybe they are doing a lot of work. They have so many responsibilities. That's why maybe they are not talking to you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Hangman, yeah, they're stuck and they're waiting for the right time. And right now they're just missing you and they're feeling sad without you, and they're stuck on you. That they can't do anything other than, yeah, they're waiting game is going. They want some positive growth in this relationship, but right now situation is not under your person control. That's why they're just watching you, they're spying you. Maybe you're dealing with Leo. Yes, I think you're finally taking your power back here. You are becoming very strong person. Strength and Queen of Swords and King of Cups. For some, maybe a brand new person is entering in your life to offer this cup of love to you. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Yeah. Clarity is coming, but you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition here, Taurus. You are going with the flow and taking leap of faith, but they're coming to offer equal give and take, and they are going to communicate with you. But it will take some time again. But you are doing your own thing. You are in a defensive mode right now. Yes, I think you are on your power. You are okay without this person. Now you are very emotionally very strong person. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Taurus. I still love you. Yes, they still love you, but family issues, stability is coming. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Taurus. Prosperity lies ahead, new moon in Taurus. Maybe you're dealing with other Taurus here. And balance, spirituality and practicality, full moon in Pisces. And show the world the real you, full moon in Aquarius. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius. Show again, this is the message for you. Don't hide your feelings or emotions. Show the real feelings and emotions to your family and to your loved ones. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.